But when I was watching it, I got a vibe that this is Hera Fairy, Andaz Apna Apna. It's a comedy in that zone.
Right.
Were you in any way inspired? It's like Hangover in the world of Hera Fairy and Andaz Apna Apna. Were you inspired by those
See,
films?
the films that you've named are like my all-time favorite
Yeah.
film. अंदाज अपना अपना I think मेरी उम्र के उस generation decade के हर किसी को अंदाज अपना
Yeah.
will be the film to go to. So just to be mentioned in the same category of
Yeah.
these films is a huge honor. I have, I won't say I wanted to derive from those films, but those films have been a part of my ecosystem.
Yeah.
Like अंदाज अपना अपना के dialogues आज भी
Yeah.
हम it's become a part of our lingo. So of course it's been imbibed within me. I think Hera Pheri again was a trend-setting film.
Yeah.
Which was of a different style. Hangover again was a film that was very aspirational.
Yeah.
मुझे याद है कि उस फिल्म में एक चीज़ खास थी कि जब मैं थिएटर में गया था यहीं पे एक्चुअली सिटी मॉल में तब फीम एड लैब करता था देखने गया था और वहाँ पे ना लोग ऑलरेडी मन बना के आए थे कि ये मज़ेदार फिल्म है तो स्टार्टिंग से लेकर ही वो हंसी शुरू हो गई थी एंड आई ऑलवेज वंडर्ड कि ये व्हाट इज द मैजिक ऑफ सिनेमा एंड दिल चाहता है में भी ऐसा होता है मैं चंदन में देखने गया था और वो थिएटर ना पार्टी हॉल बन गया था एवरीबडी वाज देयर टू हैव फन सो आई ऑलवेज इमेजिन और लेट्स से विश्ड टू क्रिएट अ फिल्म लाइक वेयर जहाँ जब लोग अंदर आए ना
सोच के आए के
तो ये उनको पता हो कि दे आर अबाउट टू हैव अ गुड टाइम दैट्स द होप दैट्स द एम्बिशन दैट यू आर काइंड ऑफ गोइंग टुवर्ड्स so if I have managed to come at least halfway there also I think it's a great thing and to do it in my first film fingers crossed I'm very happy.
Correct, because if you look at the comedy, the situation of comedy, it's about three helpless guys stuck in a situation which leads to comedy. That's what happened in so many comedy films, classics over the years.
Right.
So that comparisons we are bound to get in that way. And ever since Madgaon Express release, we have seen a lot of comments where people are saying, what if Kunal Khemu directs Hera Fairy? What would be his approach?
I don't know. Approach wise, I don't even know. And I'm saying that, see, I feel that films like Andaz Apna Apna and Hera Fairy are like, the equivalent would be like Sholay and Diwar. Like, and it goes in his eye, he pukes on somebody's head, she slaps him, and then a fight happens, and then his finger gets chopped. So all those beats were always there. How we reached them was, the action was designed then.
Okay. The next one, it's the monologue of Divyendu at the station. I think Dadar station or whichever station they are boarding the train from.
Lokmanya Tilak station.
With the background score of Laksh.
Yeah. That I have to give credit to my editor because we edited the scene and it worked well. And we knew that we could use anything from the Excel sound library.
Yeah.
So one day when I went to see the scene, he had already put that and I laughed so much and I said ये क्या है? He said ये वो लक्ष्य का है. I said ये mind blowing है यार, यही रखते हैं. And then that's how, so वो तो हमने ऐसे ही चिपकाया था, कि आप जब वो मॉक लगाते हैं ना, जब प्रोड्यूसर्स को दिखाना होता है तो जितना भी आप सोर्स कर सकते हैं यहाँ से आप वो लगाते हैं, then final BGM होता है. But वो मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा, I said ये यही रहेगा यार, ये करेक्ट बैठ रहा है और वो करेक्ट टाइम पे भी बुलाता है. फिर उसके आगे पीछे हमने थोड़ा वो हल्की फुल्की चीजें ऐड की. But it worked really well. So that sound, I have to give credit to my editor.
Correct. And then you ended by saying, "अरे but रात को कौन सा scenery दिखेगा?" That was there in the
that was in the script.
Okay. And the last one, this is picked up by social media. What was this intentional?
Of course it was. Or not, I don't know. I don't know. I mean, sometimes I'll be like, इस ख्याल में तो बहुत अच्छा लग रहा था, लेकिन पेपर पे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. But there is other stuff that I'll be doing, which is also in the fun space. But Madgaon also is something that has been cooking in my head.
So you're exploring many other ideas for directing itself, or?
Yeah, like I told you, like I've been writing all these ideas that are in my head. I've been writing them, and now that I have the ability to be able to direct it, some of those I will direct myself.
Okay. And what's happening on the acting front for you next?
Is a good question because I keep asking myself that also. I think most of the times now people have started thinking that I have now quit acting, which is not true. I am still very much acting. I have a show with Amazon which is up for release hopefully this year.